Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Modic tokens from one exchange to another. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to withdraw Modic from Bitrue to Binance. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Binance. You'll need some Modic in your Bitrue wallet and the exact wallet address from Binance. Oh, and remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Modic balance there, it should be easy to spot. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw option next to Modic. You'll see a form pop up. Here, select the network for withdrawal. For Modic, it's usually the Polygon network, but confirm that it matches what Binance supports to avoid any issues. Step 3. Enter the wallet address from your Binance account. You can find this by logging into Binance, going to your wallet, and copying the Modic address. Paste it carefully into the Bitrue form. Then, input the amount you want to withdraw. Don't forget to check the transaction fees, as they can add up. Step 4. Review everything on the confirmation page. Make sure the address, amount, and network are correct. If all looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, so keep that handy to track your transfer. Once the withdrawal is processed, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion, log back into Binance and check your wallet. Your Modic should appear there soon. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication on both exchanges to protect your funds. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.